Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable silent mode on iPhone 16 Pro. To enable silent mode or disable it, you can either use an action button. So if you have a silent mode assigned to the action button, then just press and hold on the action button to switch between silent and ring mode, like that. But you can also enable silent mode from settings. Go to sounds and haptics in settings and enable or disable silent mode. I'm gonna also show you how to assign silent mode to the action button if you don't have it assigned. To do it, just go to settings, then action button, and here you can switch between what does the action button do, and when you set it to silent mode, then just press and hold on it, and this will switch you between modes. And there's one more way to do it, and to do it, swipe from the right top part of your screen to reveal Control Center, and then click on the bell icon to switch silent mode on or off. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.